In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable pickup only for products that can't ship in Shopify. Open your Shopify admin in your browser. Once the admin dashboard loads, look to the bottom left corner of the sidebar and click Settings, using the gear icon. This opens the main settings area for your store. In the Settings menu, click Shipping and Delivery. You will now be on the Shipping and Delivery page, and near the top, you should see your general shipping profile listed there. Scroll down the page until you reach the Additional Delivery Methods section. In that section, click Pickup in Store. Shopify will show the locations available in your store. Click your store location from the list to open its pickup settings. Find the Location Status section. Turn on the toggle for Let Customers Pick Up Orders directly at this location. This enables in-store pickup for that location. Next, move to the Expected Pickup Date section. Open the dropdown and choose Usually Ready in 24 hours. Now go to the Ready for Pickup Notification section. Click into the text area and type the pickup instructions exactly as follows. Type Bring your order confirmation email when you visit the store. Enter the full sentence clearly so customers will see that instruction when their order is ready for pickup. After that, go to the top right corner of the page and click Save. Your store location now accepts in-store pickup, which needs to be enabled before you set specific products to use pickup only. Next, return to the main Shipping and Delivery Settings page. You can click the back arrow or navigate back to Settings, then Shipping and Delivery. Once you are back on that page, scroll to the Shipping Profile section. Click Add Custom Profile to create a separate profile for products that cannot be shipped. A Profile Setup panel will appear. Click into the Profile Name field and type Pickup Only. Enter those two words as the name of this custom profile, so it is easy to identify later. Go down to the Product section. In that area, click the right arrow icon, which is the Browse button used to add products into this profile. A product selection window will open. Select the products that cannot be shipped. As you choose them, they will be added to the shipping profile instead of staying in the general one. When you have selected all of the non-shippable products you need, click Done. Now move to the Shipping Zone section inside this custom profile. Click Add Zone. This creates a zone for the Pickup Only profile. In the Zone Name field, click into the box and type the name you want to use for the zone. After entering the zone name, select your country from the list that appears. Once your country is selected, click Done to confirm the zone. After the zone is created, do not add any shipping rates to it. Leave the rates section completely empty. This is the key part of the setup. Because the products in this custom profile have a shipping zone but no shipping rates, checkout will not offer a shipping method for them. With local pickup already enabled at your store location, customers will only be able to choose pickup for those products. Go to the top right corner again and click Save. This activates the custom shipping profile with the products assigned to it and the empty shipping zone attached. At checkout, products placed in this pickup only profile will show only the pickup option, along with your store location and the estimated pickup timing. Shippable products that remain in your normal profile will continue to show both ship and pickup options. That means the products you added to this custom profile are now restricted to in-store pickup only. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials.